Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be taking a closer look at two popular portable dishwashers, the AooDen and the HAVA. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they come with different features and capabilities. In this video, we will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. The AooDen Portable Dishwasher measures 18 inches in width and offers 5 wash programs, while the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher, slightly smaller at 16.86 inches, boasts 8 wash programs. Both have a built-in 5L water tank, making them convenient for apartments and RVs. However, the HAVA's additional features, such as a self-clean cycle and child lock, provide added safety and convenience. When it comes to washing efficiency, the AooDen offers 5 wash programs, including an ECO mode, while the HAVA provides 8, including a self-cleaning cycle. The HAVA also has a longer delay start feature, making it more flexible for users who want to set their dishwashing schedule ahead of time. The AooDen is priced at $339, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who need a portable dishwasher without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the HAVA is priced at $399, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and needs, one may be more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the AooDen and HAVA portable dishwashers have their unique advantages. The AooDen is a great choice for those on a budget looking for essential features, while the HAVA offers more advanced options for a slightly higher price. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.